So, thank you for the introduction. As you said, I'm Marie-Claire Dweck, CEO of Newmark Security plc. And today I'm going to share our results and a few key highlights for 2024 with an inside look at key developments that are powering our growth to go from strength to strength. First, let me explain what we do in the simplest way possible. We protect people in safe spaces. How we do this is by providing secure cloud control of people's access, timekeeping, and identity data at work. This means safe spaces, seamless operations, and secure data. Everything we do is about protecting human capital, people in safe spaces. For over 30 years, Newmark has delivered long-term value through products and services in enterprise security. We focus on three segments of the market: human capital management, otherwise known as HCM, access control, and physical security. And we employ a great team of experienced specialists who really understand the needs of our customers and their industries. All of our products and services are delivered through two market-facing brands, Grosvenor Technology and Safetell. Grosvenor Technology, known as GT in America, is our people and data business. It's a well-established provider of time clocks, access control, and all the software and services that run these devices. This business has been growing rapidly in the HCM space, particularly in the US and Europe. Safetell is our physical security business, where we deliver long-term, full life cycle value for our customers by manufacturing and servicing products like auto doors, retail protection screens, and building security. All of our products and services are delivered high margin and increasingly generating recurring revenues through long-term enterprise subscriptions and service contracts. Whilst we've been around for 30 years, in the last 5 years we've been transforming this legacy business into a high-growth, high-margin business, which in the last 12 months has really started to accelerate, where we focus on our future. And to explain how we're driving rapid growth at GT and how we've been turning around our physical security division from a decline into a growing business again, one which is now beginning to accelerate. Our confidence is based on a wide range of relationships that we've worked hard to create. Together, we've combined businesses have built an enviable roster of customers across many industry sectors, creating long-term partnerships with major brands. Our blue-chip client base provides ample opportunity for upselling our solutions. But of great interest is the bottom right-hand corner, which shows our growing base of software vendors, and this is the focus of our planned growth activity. By unlocking access to multiple clients through each partnership, this avoids the need to mobilize a large direct sales force. By focusing on HCM, particularly in the US, where almost all of the top 20 software houses are based, we are creating an exciting roadmap for accelerating growth. And this is the core focus of our growth strategy, which I'll explain later in the presentation. As a brief summary of our 2024 performance, group revenue has grown once again, increasing 10% year on year to 22.3 million, with key partnership successes across the business and a strong performance in both our people and data management business and our physical security business. It's been another solid year at Grosvenor, with top-line revenue growth of 6% to 16.5 million, driven by a strong performance of the HCM business. While 6% as a net revenue growth figure might appear a little lower than expected for fast-growing business, this is because we lost a partner in H1, but since then won 3 more. So revenues for H2 were actually 16% higher than H1, and by comparison, H2 24 was 23% higher than H1 23. Encouragingly, at an overall level, this is now the 9th consecutive year that HCM has delivered positive revenue growth. Headline revenues at Safetell also grew by an impressive 23% to 5.8 million, building quickly on the turnaround achieved in 2023, with strong new business growth now coming through. Overall, 24 has been another very productive year, executing our proven growth strategy, ensuring this performance is sustainable. A little more detail, and I'll pick out a few of the key highlights. Gross profit in 2024 increased by 13% to 8.6 million, driven by increased revenues and a gross margin of 38.5%. This was due to a combination of customer price rises, reduction in component costs, and an increase for high-margin recurring revenues. We anticipate further increases in gross margin as recurring revenues increase. Recurring revenues has been a key metric we've been transforming in our growth strategy, and it's great to see that we've continued the momentum this year with a 28% annual recurring revenue growth. Our plan is to continue to drive this through a number of strategic initiatives that I'll mention in a moment. The intention is for recurring revenues to represent 1/3 of total revenues of HCM in the next 3 to 5 years. EBITDA also increased by 50% to 2.2 million in 2024, helped by increased operating profits due to strong performance of both Grosvenor and Safetell. Whilst underlying performance and profitability improved in the year, profit after tax decreased slightly due to a tax change arising as a result of the change in assumptions for R&D tax claims, causing a knock-on effect in earnings per share. We maintained our forward investment focus, sustaining our investment in R&D and benefiting from slightly less capital being required after significant investments were made in 23 and prior years. As I mentioned earlier, Grosvenor Technology is our specialist people and data business that responds directly to the challenge of keeping people and their data safe when they enter a workplace. And this creates long-term customer value by providing them with high-spec hardware devices that are built to last. Equally, high-spec software control enabling cloud-based data and device management services, which allows us to deliver a complete solution. Essentially, this is about giving the customer better control, time clock control, access control, and identity data control. And this creates a compelling platform for enterprise subscriptions that ensures customers stay with us for the long term. Let me just give you a few of the operational highlights. Grosvenor's consistent strategy focuses on driving recurring revenues by attaching services to all partnerships, existing and new, and leveraging this advantage to win greater share of wallet and expanding our loyal customer base. The growth strategy comprises of 5 strategic pillars. The first pillar, we will continue to onboard traditional HCM partners. In 2024, this included onboarding of 3 new large US partners with a strong pipeline of new partners and prospects for 2025. Pillar 2, to attach services to all new business. Strengthening our competitive position by embedding our market-leading solutions, combining 100% assured by our lifetime warranty GT Protect, controlled by GT Connect software, and incorporating GT services. This is a compelling all-round proposition that adds significant value to our subscription, and that's hard for our competitors to match. Pillar 3. We push services to existing partners as a priority. In 2024, we prioritized converting existing hardware-only HCM customers, upgrading them to recurring revenue services contracts, with relationships expanding to attach the full GT service wrapper to every sale in the future. Our 4th pillar, to displace competitors by offering sliding scale pricing, driving maximum competitive advantage at both ends of the market and gaining full share of wallet. This includes the entry-level GT4 Lite time clock, a software-limited GT4 edition designed to displace low-cost manufacturers at the lower end of the market, with a superior product attached to our premium services and with the option of rolling device replacements to modernize device estate over the longer term. This entirely changes the way customers think about grading HCM services and has already enabled us to displace incumbents to become the preferred supplier across all partners and all their requirements, and by bringing forward the time when alternatives can be sought. And we're targeting a large and previously dormant opportunity. Our fifth pillar, our diversify model, by seeking end-user business via partnerships with the likes of Oracle, Workday, and SAP. In 2024, having thoroughly researched this opportunity, we created a new product offering, GT Time, targeting the lucrative HCM direct-to-enterprise DTE market. GT Time is marketplace ready with a per-employee, per-month pricing and combines the choice of entry and premium products with our market-leading data and device management services. As an important milestone, at the end of 2024, we secured the first of these partnerships with Oracle and will begin marketing through this channel in 2025. All of these pillars support our strategy to deliver hardware-enabled software and services with long-term recurring revenues. As I announced last year, at the launch of our strategic cloud platform, GT Connect, it has indeed delivered nothing short of a huge shift in our market opportunity. As intended, in 2024, GT Connect became the central cloud-based solution hub for all our HCM products, connecting over 24,000 devices and already serving over 9 million monthly clock-ins. Through continuous development, it has become a powerful platform, reducing time to market for new products to weeks, not months, and accelerating onboarding of new customers, often days, not weeks. Its open architecture enables us immediately to showcase our technology working within our customers' systems at the outset. An important competitive advantage we'll continue to leverage that our partners don't have. At the center of our drive towards double-digit growth in recurring revenues, GT Connect is also the conduit for services that provides great relationships and long-term customer retention measured in years rather than months. Crucially, GT Connect is now acting as a simple management platform for customers, embedding it at the center of key HCM operations to provide secure cloud control devices, services, and biometric identity data. This enables the delivery of biometric compliance as a key benefit of our service, helping improve security measures, removing fraud from company payrolls and protect from the threat of non-compliance. This position of trust is hard-earned, and we'll be exploring how to leverage and expand this further in 2025. We're also at the early stages of generative AI adoption, leveraging Microsoft and GitHub Copilots to raise the productivity of our team in software engineering, report writing, and technical documentation and bid writing. These efforts are designed to support future scaling without requiring additional resources, further improving cost efficiencies, an area of ongoing focus for 2025. In addition to time clocks and software, Grosvenor also designs and makes class-leading access control hardware that's easy to scale and extend, so it can deliver much more than just access control. Throughout 2024, the rapid transition to our newest products continued, delivering growth and demand for Janus C4 and products. Upgrading large Saturn installations to Janus C4 has provided an excellent stream of ready-made opportunities with significant and qualified pipeline targeted for conversion in 2025 and beyond. and we are now working hard on the development of Janus C4 Ultra, an advanced hybrid cloud product with substantial potential, being jointly developed with our partner Gamanet, and our aim is to launch this product in 2025. Safetell is our well-established physical security business, where we deliver long-term value for our customers, contracting directly with the end clients and also with major contractor partners. We are the UK's leading provider of high-specification physical security solutions focused on three key areas: auto doors and entrances, screens and counters, building security and asset protection, constantly innovating. With our broad portfolio, it helps us create the safest and the best physical protected environments for our workers, enabling us to provide end-to-end solutions for physical security. While screens are still an important part of our business, today we are serving a much broader range of customer requirements across private sector, public sector and retail, with a particular focus on auto doors where we're winning major long-term servicing contracts. An improvement in performance at Safetell has been substantial as it continues to raise its growth trajectory and demonstrated in market advantage by leading provider in physical security. In 2024, our strategic execution focused on areas of high demand and returned an impressive revenue growth of 23%. With an enhanced range of products and services, we were able to balance stronger growth in target sectors while managing the anticipated ongoing decline in the banking markets. This strategic focus helped Safetell to grow market share in entrance control, grow traction in differentiated products and physical security, and increase support for regional and national door servicing demand. In particular, the business made substantial progress in door services, which grew by 51%, with an even greater increase in entrance control orders, which grew by 74%. Our improved range of products also help win compete significant projects in blue light, healthcare, and national infrastructure markets, building high-profile customer references that will bring opportunities to grow further in 2025. And Safetell continued its great performance in retail, rolling out security screens for the UK's largest supermarket, as well as starting work in another major supermarket chain. All of the key business highlights I today have shared clearly show that our forward strategy is working and sustainable. Growing revenues and profits resulted from disciplined execution of a proven growth strategy. We've now extended and upgraded this by approving a new 5-year strategic plan. Human capital management added an important partnerships, matching last year's growth and increasing annual recurring revenues by 28%. GT Connect enabled services to be attached to all devices, driving an impressive share of wallet expansion with ease and speed of adoption across all HCM partners. Access Control successfully balanced the transition to new products with a 20% growth in Janus C4. Safetell accelerated its upward trajectory with an impressive 23% growth, building momentum with an enhanced range of products, capacity, and an even larger pipeline for 2025. Newmark will continue to focus on an accelerating growth by increasing recurring revenues, leveraging AI, enhancing its market share as a trusted provider of enterprise-ready security solutions. As I said at the beginning, it's been an important year of strategic growth that's delivered positive results in every area. Looking ahead, I believe we have the right strategy, the right team, and disciplined orchestration. So I'm confident that we'll continue to execute our plan with great success, energized by our customers and partners, and optimistic for our future, focused on many growth opportunities we have in our sights. Thank you.